Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here today to show you the new releases that are coming out on Friday, March 4th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to my website. Just a note that my website is still currently different. It is erinflotodesign, no s.com, so erinflotodesign.com. Unfortunately, my website domain was hacked. There's a whole bunch of issues trying to sort that out. So I've had to get a new domain in the meantime. So I thought the easiest way was to make it very similar. And then hopefully one of these days I'll get my website back. That is the ideal situation, but who knows? So anyways, let's go ahead and get on into it. So the first item that we have, and I will show you against my blackout notebook, is a new version of the zebra stencil. So this is a 3x5 stencil. So it's made for different smaller boxes and things like that. The other one is much larger, and it's like a full page stencil. So this one will fit smaller things. So this is the old one. Well, it's still up there, but this is the first version that is a full A5 page, and then this one is smaller and is a 3x5. So that is the first item, is this plastic stencil. My plastic stencils are, generally speaking, made for using distress oxide inks or any sort of ink pad versus using a pen, just because the plastic is a little bit more flexible, so using the inks is a lot easier. Next up is the 90s theme boxes. So this goes along with my 90s nostalgia kit, but if you don't want the entire kit, there are some smaller boxes and some circles as well. So that is the 90s nostalgia box. We have some new items, which are really exciting. We have stickers for blackout notebooks. So I and a lot of other people have blackout notebooks. So I created these white stickers with a black surrounding so that it can go in a blackout notebook. So I have the Monday through Sunday plus the weekend plus this week. So that is one of the first blackout scripts that I have. And the second is a week number sticker. So we have week number 1 through 52. And if you mess up, there's a couple extra week stickers here as well. And then this sticker is also going to be in the white background and in the craft paper background. So there's 3 different versions of those. And I'm going to be working over the next couple months adding more blackout stickers that are originally white background stickers, so that I can kind of transition to having white, craft, and blackout versions of every single script sticker that I have. The next item is these simple spring florals. So this is just in my EFD colorway. So we have my logo up here, and that shows you all the colors that are associated with EFD. And so I made some simple line art photos from those as well. The next up is foil stencils. So we have these foil pen stickers. So it's available in gold, rose gold, silver, and rainbow. So you can see the rainbow and the silver here. Moving on, we have the 2 main kits. So we have a bullet journal version of the kit, and we have a weekly pre-printed calendar or pre-printed planner version of the kit. So this is the bullet journal kit. It has a full kit option, a mini kit option, and then you can buy each sheet a la carte. So we have full kit, which is the 5 pages, mini kit, which is the 3 pages, and again, you can buy each individually. I feel like a sales ad reading this. Okay. So this is the 90s nostalgia kit. So I went with, I had so much fun making this kit because it's just like diving back into my childhood, which was a lot of fun. So we have a lot of blues, pinks, and purples, a lot of zebra prints, just a lot of fun items that I think a lot of people that grew up in the 90s will remember. So we have the monthly headers. We have the weekly, so these are labels for each week. We have the art and deco sheet, so this has some trolls, some Furbies, all the things. So again, a lot of fun to make this kit. And I don't know if this was actually my, I can't remember my actual AOL, like my AIM name, but I know it had something to do with being a soccer girl in 321 since that was my area code. So I think it was something close to this, but I added the XOXO because I was like, oh, that was like a bunch of people's AIM names. So anyways, so that's it. And remember when they used to roll in the carts, and that was the best day of the week whenever you had a sub and they rolled in that cart. Then we have the banners. So we have 4 banners, and then we have some little mini washies down here. And then we have the washi tape stickers. So these are basically sized for a B5, so you can cut them down for an A5. So we have those washi tapes. And then we have the weekly version. So this fits most size pre-printed planners. It's 1.5 inches across. So we have our full boxes, again, with the patterns and the fun 90s things. We have some little, I don't know, little header type stickers down here. We have some half boxes and some smaller boxes over here. We have some habit trackers, an extra full box, and your date headers. And then we have, to go along the side, we have some Monday through Sunday. We have some icons. We have a weekend banner. We have some glitter headers, all the things. So, and then some extra washi strips here. So that is the weekly version, and this is also a sticker. So if you wanted to cut this down without my logo, then you can use this as well. And then this is not the last item. It looks like the last item, but it's not. So we have the 90s nostalgia sticker book. So this comes in a sticker book, which you can put sticker paper onto here, and then these are reusable stickers because it is a basically sticker paper background. So you can organize them in whatever fashion you want. I decided to go with like this white space because I know a lot of people like to kind of label these types of sticker books, and they have multiple for different types of things. For example, I have one for just my weekly headers. I have one for my workout stickers and things like that. So I left this white space so that people could label them accordingly. So that is that. And then the last thing I want to talk about is my vinyl stickers that are coming out. So I have a vinyl sticker that is coming out for the Furby and for the pink Tamagotchi. So those are actually going to be glitter foil. I don't have them in stock yet, but I want to show you kind of what the glitter foil looks like. So if you see this, it has that glitter holographic look to it. So that is going to be on those stickers as well. They just have not arrived yet. So unfortunately, I can't show you them, but they will be available in the shop nonetheless. And then once I get them in, I will send them out. So that is all of the releases that are coming out on Friday. And I want to show you something that I'm working on that I want to kind of get a feel if this is something that you might want, and that is these glitter with white lettering. So if you can see that, this is just like an example foil that I used, but it'll be available in the same types of colorways: the gold, the rose gold, the silver, and then the rainbow. So just let me know in the comments down below if this is something that you might be interested in. I asked my patrons, they seemed interested in it. I did give them one of the stickers this month. And let me see if I can bring it out. That was kind of that same vibe, but with like this blue watercolor effect, which was really cool. So I'm intrigued, and I'll be interested to hear what you guys think about this. It has a broader outline so that you can make sure that the cut is with the foil. So that's something that I didn't do on those that I did on these. And obviously I will look to go ahead and do it so that the cut line is within the foil. But I'm really interested to know if this is a product that you guys want to see in my shop. And if you are interested in seeing other types of foils enter the shop, maybe ones that are just like a little bit more exclusive. So please let me know in the comments down below. And then the other item is this like vellum. It's not a sticky note, it's just a vellum notepad if you are interested in seeing items like this in the shop. So please let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of fun things on Friday. Please, please, please go to my Instagram stories, and you'll see me posting a lot of my affiliates links and their stories where they're announcing this release. They have a special discount code, so definitely go to them, and they get a small commission, which I love for them. So definitely go check out the affiliates as well. So I post those in my Instagram stories, so go check those out. Anyways, that is it. I hope you like this video. I hope you are interested in these products. Again, let me know down below the things that I'm testing right now, and if you are interested. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.